Hello, this is teacher Kimi. This is our lesson today. School thing 6. Clock, clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. What's this? It's a clock. Where is the clock? It's on the wall. It's on the wall. Fan, fan, fan. F-A-N, fan. What's this? It's a fan. It's a fan. What do you see? I see a fan. There is one fan in the classroom. There is one fan in the classroom. Air conditioner, air conditioner, air conditioner. A-I-R-C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N-E-R. Air conditioner, air conditioner. There is one air conditioner on the wall. There is one air conditioner on the wall. Ink, ink, inkpot, inkpot. I-N-K-P-O-T, inkpot. There is one inkpot on the desk. There is one inkpot on the desk. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.